Hello everybody, this is Dedra with Paper Crafts and Planners, and I have my Value Club subscription box here to show you today. I get 3 different subscription boxes from Spellbinders, and they're packaged into one, which is called the Glimmer Groupie. So it's it's like a $23 discount to have them packaged all together like this and get them each month. So let me show you. First of all, there was a freebie, and the packaging said, "Thanks for being a VIP Value Club member. Enjoy a free stamp." And this is going to go right along with one of the other dies that we received this month. And there's for you on this special congrats day, and then some sprinkles. So really cute. I love when you get little freebies you're not expecting. So there's that. This is the small die of the month, and it's got a really pretty leaf feature. Almost, it looks like you could make like a diamond shape or something, or maybe a square, and then the letters to say hello, thank you. I don't know what else you could say with it, but right off the bat I see that. And then there's some layering floral elements and leaf elements that look really cute. And then there is the example card on the back that they give you of how they put it together, and they'll always kind of show you in pictures how they did that. Really cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but it's very nice. And then here is the cake. That's the large die of the month. And I think that's what these sprinkles will go perfectly on the side maybe, and on the top. And these words too. I don't know. But you have, let's see, it says, "You can have your cake and eat it too." That's cute all the way down. And then there's a happy and a birthday. And then to you, I think that says. And then I'm not sure if these might just be little layering elements right here. Then there's some fruit, some flowers, a candle. There's just all sorts of cute stuff. Oh, and this looks like whipped cream or icing layers. I don't know how I'm going to use that. We'll see. And then another to cut these out separately. Really cute. And of course there's an example on the back of what you can do. Now that would be really cute if I use this stamp for the whole background, the sprinkles of my card, just over and over to make a background with. I don't know what I'm going to do, but this looks really cute. Okay, there's that. This is the Glimmer Foil. Look at those rainbows. This says, "Follow your dreams." And let's see, "Have a colorful day over the rainbow for you." Really cute. And it has these separate elements and then the dies that cut them out. I love this little cloud. And the foil this month is called Rainbow, which of course that's appropriate. Look at that foil. It's just beautiful. I hope the colors are showing up as well because it is gorgeous. And then on the back, there'll be a little showing you, oh, there's a couple of cards on here that they're giving you ideas about. Really cute. Love that. I love how they did each of these elements in a different color. Just really pretty. Okay, there's that. Now let's get into the card kit. And I left it just like it was so you can kind of see this month how it comes. It's really pretty. So first there's going to be a little card with some examples and everything that comes in your kit. And then there's going to be putting together one of the cards. Look at that hedgehog. So cute. Okay, you receive the 10 cards in envelopes, always. Let's go through the paper next, I think. Get that out of the way. There are more die cuts this month than normal. I'm not really sure why, but I love that. I'm not going to complain for sure. So each of these sheets there's 2 of each. So I will flip through until I get to a duplicate. Oh, look at those leaves are pink. Too pretty. Butterflies. Let's see, did I skip one? Nope. These look like little receipt books. Oh no, they look, it says date due. Like maybe the cards, do they still do that at the library, the little cards? I don't think they do any longer. I don't know. I hate to say I haven't checked out a library book in so long because I have an e-reader. Look at those mushrooms. So cute. More rainbow looking. Some apples. Tree. Oh, look at that abstract. That's really pretty. Flowers. That is like cursive handwriting practice sheet. I don't know if you could see that really clearly. It's cute. Some more floral. I like that. And here are some gnomes. And then we're starting back over. Really cute. Okay, let's get this stuff out of here so I'm not making as much noise with this paper now that I've shown you how it comes packaged. Yep, that's probably pretty darn noisy, huh? If you turn the volume down, you won't hurt my feelings there. Okay, let's see here. First set of die cuts. And these might be duplicates because in the past, each die cut has had a twin. There's 2 of each shape. So we'll see if that's the case in this extra set. Mushroom, flowers. I love there's some gold foiling on here. More flowers. Oh my gosh, you are not going to run out of florals for this card kit. Oh, look at the trees, the leaves, gold foiling. Really cute. There's just a ton of stuff. And I think it is repeating some of these. I'm not positive though. But I do love that. So you could make 2 identical cards if you want when you have all these extras. Wow, there is just a lot in here. Oh, look at the mushrooms. Cute. Okay. I'm going to take forever with this. Oh, I love these colors. All right, let's push those to the side. And we will show the sequins. They're blue. Looks like we've got some dark and some light blue. Maybe some iridescent ones in there. Those are cute. You've also got your pop-up squares, which those always come. And oh, let's look at the die. And I've seen from the Spellbinders site that some of these dies match the stamp set, which is always exciting. Look at that frame. I can't wait to use that frame. And here's a piece of the hedgehog. Here's another piece. So you can cut out separately the quills in different colors. There, oh, there's the body of the hedgehog. Isn't that cute? Look at how that's going to go together. I'm excited about that. Here's a cloud. So one of the mushrooms, another mushroom. Here's 2 of the gnomes. Hello. Some grass elements. You could do some little grassy hills. And another mushroom. So let's look at the stamp set so we can kind of see what matches up here. Okay. So let's see. This guy right here. It's going to match up. Does the hello match up? Oh my gosh. Yeah, the hello match. I get so excited about dies. And here we go. She matches up. So you don't have a die for the one gnome right here. Hello. So these mushrooms, I'm guessing, match up. Yep, there's one mushroom. So all 3 of these mushrooms have dies. And then you get the cloud and the grass. Cute. I do really like this stamp set. It says, it's a happy day. I love you. Friends forever. There's gnome one like you. Hedge hugs and kisses. More hedgehogs. Oh, look at that little pinwheel. That is so cute. Love that. Okay, there's the stamp set. I'm looking at this for the first time also, so sorry, I'll try to go a little quicker. Let's put all of these out. Some are stuck on the back here. And I will come back with a 10 cards, 1 kit, and also show you what I do with those dies. I have a wedding to go to in October, if I didn't say that already. So I think I will get some use out of. This is cute. So it looks like it's got the little washi tape sticking the paper down. That is cute. I've got some rainbows. Try to go through this quickly. Some tags with apples. Backpack. Giant pencils. Some push pins. Okay, so this frame has all different pieces. You can punch out the center. See the good. All of these pieces, these layering pieces, will come out separately to use. The backpack again. Real life. That's cute. Of course, there are 2 of those. This one says, with love. That's that frame again. Rainbow again. That looks like little note paper. Cute. Envelope. Oh, look at that clasp envelope. That is really cute. And there's some foil details on that. Smaller envelope. This says details. cute. Oh, look at that tree stump. You see that gnome standing on that tree stump? That would be so cute. Family is forever. Friends like these. It's the little things. Noted. Oh, look at the kites. Small envelope again. Pennants that say, let's have fun today. Oh, there we go. There's 2 of those, of course. There's some extra pieces that didn't cut quite, but just pull those off. No big deal. True story. Oh, look at these tags. Those are really jumbo. It's butterfly. Or is that a moth? I don't know. Good on you. Some little tag elements. This says, please keep in sight. And then you could circle the day of the week and the date. That's cute. Oh, here's another framed element. This one says smile. And again, you could pop out all the pieces to use separately if you want. Oh, here's some jam. Oh, look at that snail. Cute. Oh, and here's some cutout gnomes too. These push pins come in different colors. Several colors so far. That was pretty sweet. Oh, that's cute. There's that details one again. Here's a record player, a diary, or a planner, binder clip. So sweet. A book. This is so sweet. Another, I think, moth. Special. Oh, look at that hedgehog. Okay, so that gives me ideas of the colors maybe I want to use when I do the die cut. You are loved. Here's another, do not lose this card, it says. Better with you. Another hedgehog, smaller one. Oh, look at that with a little envelope with a heart on it. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Is that a mole? I think it's a mole. A pear, some more mushroom elements. Love always. This, and it has space for you to put something. Apples. Oh, look at that little speech bubble kind of with a heart in it. Discover. Amazing. I've got a lot of little extra pieces this month. Best day. Home sweet home. Oh my gosh. Next to that little stump maybe. Little tree stump. I've got ideas already. So let this adventure begin. Best day. Live in the moment. And these all, again, will punch out separately if you want to use them differently than how they come. Oh, this looks like a little postage stamp. Cute. Let's see. What is this? Oh, coffee cup. And this says admit one. Oh, look at the books with the bookworm. Cute. So my grandkids have started back school online. They live in Washington State. I think most schools have started back either in person or online now. So maybe I'll make them a little card to go. I've already been working on their Halloween box to send. So here and there. That's cute. Keep cozy. Oh my gosh. He's riding the snail. That is cute. So it's going to be 10 cards, 1 kit, but I'm sure this is Happy Day. I'm going to come back with even more that I do on top of that. Look at the little rainbow. It's a gnome-sized rainbow. Okay, bigger apples, bigger mushrooms. Recorded. I think we've already seen this best day. And we've already seen that keep cozy. The moth we've seen. There's the other recorded. Oh, this is a cute little banner. Cute. The flowers on it. And then that last handmade. Okay, so these are the dimensional stickers. So they're usually like a cardstock material, and they've got some little pop-up element to them, so they stick up just a little bit. Yeah, they do, and they're shiny, plasticky. Cute. Sorry I'm late. What's this say? Covered with love. Now the heart is kind of covering up the, oh, showered with love. See, I can't even see that because the heart is in the wrong spot, but that's okay. It's got a little sticky behind it. I'll just move it. Showered with love. That is cute. And I can even see these working with that Glimmer Foil. It all seems to coordinate really nicely this month, so I may use some of the pieces together. Here are some puffy stickers. Hey kiddo, fun, beautiful, heart, unique, love ya, and adorable, it's your day, ampersand, rainbow, some hearts and stars, and a celebrate. Oh, beautiful. Did I say that? Not sure. Okay, and then here are the solid pieces this month. This is a really pretty burgundy. I know it's not showing up like that. And you've got the gold mirror, a deep pink, a nice bright yellow, a white. Let's see, something stuck to that white. Oh, pretty sky blue, a green, and then a navy blue, really dark blue. So great colors to coordinate. I'm super excited about this one, mostly because I have grandchildren and I really think a lot of these will appeal to them, especially with the little books and all that kind of stuff. And I'm excited that the dies coordinate with the stamp set so well this month for the card kit. So those are all of the things I received this month. I'm really excited to get using. I will have links below, of course, to everything. And don't forget, if you sign up for the monthly subscription box, there are freebies that come a few times a year. I was not expecting this one, so that's pretty exciting to receive that. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. Happy crafting.